This is the FSUSD family tutorial on how to look up fines for library books and textbooks. How do I look up fines? You can find out what, if any, fines you owe, and that includes Chromebooks, by looking at your account in Destiny or Destiny Discover, which is the library cataloging system. This is a slide with the video. So to get started, you're going to log into your school device and it's going to launch Clever. Or if you're on your personal device, you can just simply type in FSUSD Clever and it will then take you to Clever and you can log in. So you're going to locate the My Library icon on the Clever page and you're going to click that. That's going to take you to Destiny. You're then going to get a list of all the schools, and so you're going to locate your school on the list. You're going to get a login screen in the upper right-hand corner, login. So you may automatically get logged in through Clever, so you might not have to sign in, but if it does have you sign in, you use your S number and just the S number, and then your 8-digit birthday password. So look in the green box there, you'll see an example formatted username and password. You'll know you're logged in because your name will appear in the upper right-hand side. Now, what you're looking at here is the back office page of Destiny. So you might not be as familiar with this part of Destiny, but this is where you're going to be at to look at your fines. On the My Info tab, you're going to click on that in order to see all the items checked out to your account, their due dates, and then if you have any fines. So here we go. So you can see right here, the top section will be all items you have checked out. And this, for example, this one does not have any library materials. See, it says no library materials, but it has resources, which are textbooks. And that includes your Chromebook, and then the student has a senior writing book, a class novel, an AP book, and a calculus book. Now, this is what they should have checked out for their account. This is for the current school year. So these are not fines. This is nothing that's overdue. This is simply what is currently checked out for the student that they're responsible for, that they will then return at the end of the school year. At the bottom half of the screen is the section with the fines. Now, these are the replacement cost of the item. It could include textbooks, it could include Chromebooks, it could include Chromebook chargers, and it could include library books. And you have the option at this point of paying the fine, or if you find your copy of Stormbreaker or Chain Chemistry, make sure you bring it back. And we will be happy to take that fine off of your account. Now, you'll notice here on the side of each book, it has a item number. So for the Battle of Scandia, this one's from Green Valley, it's 16521, and that's the number that is on the book. And then for Chain Chemistry, the number starts with 405, and it's like a 15-digit number. So you want to make sure your item has that number on it. You can turn in a copy of Chain Chemistry, but if you don't have that book, you're still responsible for it. All right, and so that's basically it. There's the list of your fines. These are books that should have been turned in at the end of the last school year. So if you have a question about the fines on an account, you're going to want to contact the library tech or the textbook room clerk, whoever's in charge of textbooks at your site. So I have a little symbol key here. RM is textbooks and LM is library. So if you go back, you can see under reason for fines, It has a little code there, LMRM, that tells you whether it's library or textbooks. But regardless, they're still on your account and you are responsible for them. All right. Join us for more tutorials at fsusd.org, and we are happy to answer any questions you might have at Ask a Librarian.